Look at here. An aeroplane, when flying at a height of 3125 meter from the ground, passes vertically below another plane. At an instant, when the angle of elevation of the two planes from the same point on the ground are 30 degree and 60 degree 30 degree and 60 degree 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the distance between two planes at that instant. Find the distance between at that instant. Okay, question again. An aeroplane, listen, an aeroplane, when flying at a height of 3125 meter from the ground, passes vertically below another plane. At an instant, when the angle of elevation of two planes from the same point on the ground are 30 degree and 60 degree 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the distance between the two planes. Find the distance between the two planes at that instant. Question okay? Clear or not? Is it okay now? Okay, listen. This is related to the previous question, last class. Last class we did above the plane. This is what below. Okay, draw the correct figure and try now. An aeroplane, when flying at a height of 3125 meter from the ground, passes vertically below another plane. Agamir, listen. An aeroplane, when flying at a height of 3125 meter from the ground, passes vertically below another plane. At an instant, when the angle of elevation of the two planes from the same point on the ground are 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the distance between the two aeroplanes. Okay, Ganja is correct. Okay, try on. Are you getting? An aeroplane when flying at a height of 3125 meter from the ground passes vertically below another plane. Okay, that means here AB 3125. Next flight is here. See, this is the point of observation. First angle is 30 degree. Next is 60 degree. Okay, this is H, here X. Okay, try now. Figure okay. Now. Previous question is total height is previous question is above. This is below. Okay, that's important thing. Okay. Why is there 3 or 4 times I'm reading the same question? You can refer the video, okay? Because almost finished now. You can write fast. Then you have the you're in phone, Aditya. Then I'll send you the question. Okay, I'll send you the question. Question number 5. I send you. Check the group. Question number 5. So don't write now. Okay. Yeah, I'll explain here. Okay. Leave the space in a book. Then check the question. Look at here. The question. Look here. The question is what? Look, an aeroplane when flying at a height of 3125 this height is 3125 meters. Okay, that time this is below another plane. This is the first plane, the second flight. Okay, this flight is when it is 3125 meter, which is below another flight. The angle of elevation is 30 and 60. So first is tan 60 equal to 3125 by x. Root 3 equal to 3125 by x. So x equal to 31. No, I made a mistake. Wait, I made a mistake. Okay, we can change this one. 30. Okay, then okay. 30. Look at here. In O A B C D here. Okay. In triangle DAB, tan 30 equal to 3125 by x. So 1 by root 3 equal to this much. So x equal to 3125 root 3. X we got it. Then tan 60 equal to 3125 plus h divided by 3125 root 3. That is root 3 equal to 3125 plus h divided by 3125 plus 3125 root 3. 3125 root 3. Cross multiply. 3125 into 3 how much? 3131. Okay. 3 this is okay, correct now. So what do you get this one? 3 into 3125 how much? 9365 75 equal to 3125 plus h. So h we can find out. Okay. Okay, complete first. 6250 meter. Okay, finish or not? Okay, so next question now. Right. Two poles of equal heights. Right. Two poles of equal heights. Two poles of equal heights. Two poles of equal heights. Pole, P-O-L-E-S. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other, opposite to each other, opposite to each other on either side of the road, on either side of the road, on either side of the road, on either side of the road. Road, R-O-A-D, yes. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide, which is 80 meter wide, 80, which is 80 meter wide. Full stop. From a point between them, from a point between them on the road, from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the angle of elevation of the angle of elevation of the top of the poles, the top of the poles, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree, are 60 degree and 30 degree, are 60 degree and 30 degree. Okay. Find the height of the poles. Find the height. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point. Distance of the point. Find the height. Ayan, listen. From, once again, I'm reading. From a point between them, in between, on the road, comma, the angles of elevation, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles, angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree, are 60 degree and 30 degree, are 60 degree and 30 degree. Okay. Next line. Find the height of the poles. Find the height of the poles and the distance between the points and the distance between the points from the poles. Find the distance between the point from the poles. Find the distance between the point. Find the distance of the point from the poles. Okay, it's clear now. Can you try? A road 80-meter wide. Each side there is two poles. Okay. From one point, the angle of elevation to one pole is 30, another pole is 60 degree. Then what is the height of the each poles and distance from the each poles of the point of observations? Okay, try now. How many questions about this one? Okay, okay. So two more classes will continue this. Okay, getting now? Two poles. Are you trying or not? Okay, okay. I'll wait. Okay, so look at here now. Those not getting, listen here. Look. Two poles of equal heights are standing on the opposite. Okay, this is the road. Okay, A, B, the road 80 meters. Okay, one pole is here, second pole is here. Okay, one guy, this height, equal height H, C, D. Now, this angle of elevation is, first angle is 30 degree. So next one is 60 degree. Okay, we have to find out the height H. Also, we have to find out E here. This point is E. You have to find out AE and B. This is the question. Okay. Listen. AB the road. Okay. One guy standing here and he viewed the angle of elevation of the top of the first pole is 30, second is 60 degree. If anyone make here 30, here 60, there is no problem. Okay. We assume that this distance is X. Okay. So tan 30 equal to H by X. 1 by root 3 equal to H by X. Tan 30 equal to H by X. X equal to H root 3, number 1. Then tan 60 equal to H by 180, 80 minus X. This is 80 minus X. So root 3 equal to H by 80 minus X. Okay, we can substitute. Okay, listen here now, cross multiply. H equal to 80 root 3 minus X root 3. Correct or no? Look, tan 60 equal to H by 80 minus X. Root 3 equal to 80 by H by 80 minus X. We can substitute. This is 2. Substitute 1 and 2. H equal to, okay, H equal to 80 root 3, 80 root 3 minus X is H root 3. X root 3 into root 3. So that is H equal to 80 root 3 minus 3H. It's coming here. Okay, 4H equal to 80 root 3. So H equal to 20 root 3. Is it okay? Correct? Anybody got? Height is 20 root 3. Height is 20 root 3. Are you okay or not? Yes, height is 20 root 3. You got the height is 20 root 3. Then we can find out X. X yeah, X is 20 root 3, 60. So this is 60. AE equal to 60. BE equal to 20. Okay. Yeah, 60 and 20. Yes, you did, I think, right? Okay, anyway, no problem. I'm following another book now. Okay, so that's why, okay, maybe repeated. GIS guys maybe have this book, right? This one. Okay. Haira, your school closed already or? Okay, still, when it is closed? Which chapter now? Which chapter going on? Quadratic equations. Okay. Gulf Indian now, trigonometry. So almost, so we'll reach all together. Okay. Okay. So next question. Not finished, Jonathan? Surface area. One class started trigonometry. So next question. Okay, two questions only over so far. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. So next one, from the top of a, it's a basic questions. Okay, I have a difficult question there is. I'm waiting. Okay. From the top of a 7-meter high building, from the top of a 7-meter high building, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of its foot, is 45 degree, Find the height of the tower. Okay, once again, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Question, okay? You got the question? Okay, look at here. Suppose you're sitting near the window. Window is 7 meters above the ground. You view the opposite building, top is 60 degree. Then ground of the opposite building is 45 degree. That is the situation. Okay, you try now. No, building not 7 meter. The window is 7 meter. Read man, from the top of a 7-meter building. Yeah, one building top is 7 meter. Then another building which is higher than. From the top of a 7-meter high building. The angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower. Cable tower means higher than this. Is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Okay, try now. Okay, try now. Okay, the figure, look at here, those not getting, listen here. Look, from the top of a 7-meter building, look, this is the ground. Building here, A, V, 7 meter. Here the cable tower, okay. From here, this angle is 60 degree. Okay, this one 45. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, 7 here. If it is 40, if it is 45, here also 7. You know that one. Tan 45 equal to DC by BD. Tan 45 1. So tan 60 now. DE divided by 7. Root 3 equal to DE by 7. DE equal to 7 root 3. So this is 7 root 3. So total is what? 7 plus 7 root 3. 7 plus 7 root 3. Or 7 times. Okay. Okay, that's okay. No need to find out, Akshay. Okay, because that didn't say, that didn't give the value of root 3, so we cannot find out. How BD is BD, not BD. Yeah, tan 45, Majnun. For us, tan 45, tan 45 equal to 7 by BD. Tan 45 is what? 1. So that's why this one and this one will be equal now. Directly you can write. Okay. Okay. Yes, we should find the height of the tower. Finish now. Tower is CE. Jonathan. Yeah, we have to find the height of the tower. Because okay, this building is given. Building height is given. So next one only we have to find out. Okay, next question, right? Okay. As observed, next question. Very slow we are going. Okay, see now 45 minutes over, 3 questions only finished. Okay, as observed, as observed. Okay, as observed from the top of a, as observed from the top of a 75 meter height lighthouse. 75 meter height lighthouse. What do you mean? What is this lighthouse? Is what? What is that? Lighthouse. A house with a light. Hello. What is the use? Lighthouse. Yeah, navigate the ship, right? Okay, but now no use. No, not using that one. You know that. Why not using now? No, yeah, we have navigation, GPS and all. Long back there was no GPS and all, right? Yeah, advanced now. Okay. So see, without that all only this before we travel and all, without engine boat. Okay, Vasco da Gama and all like that only came without. Okay. Anyway, right. As observed from the as observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse from the sea level. From the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree, are 30 degree and 45 degree, are 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay. If one ship is exactly behind the one ship is okay, question again. Look, once again, as observed from the top of a 75 meter height lighthouse, as observed from the top of a 75 meter height lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree, 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay. If one ship is exactly behind the other, if one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, that's important thing, on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Find the distance between the two ships. Find the distance between the two ships. You can see in Farhel there is this lighthouse. Anyone notice that one? Near the fish market. Banja, you go to Farhel fish market. You eat fish, veg or non-veg? Veg, but veg guys also can see the lighthouse now. You never went to Farhel. Then where you went? Okay, anyway, try this one. What is the problem, Aya, in this question? but not in Fahel. We can see the lights coming. That's why I don't know where it is kept. Maybe it's on island. Maybe. Okay. If you go and see where is the lighthouse, nobody knows. Okay. Then don't blame me. Okay. Can you try this one? Okay. Try now. Yeah, light only we can see Israel. Okay. I recently went one place. I forgot the name. I saw that. Yes, in Alleppey. I went February. I went there. I saw that one. Oh, really? Where is your hometown? Kumaragam? Yeah, town area. Okay, okay. Okay. So try this question. The late comments. Yeah, I'll file if get, but now difficult man. After this lockdown, we'll see that shifting. Anyway, I don't think we can start in September. Normal classes. Okay. Okay. The late comments. Just see the question. Fire, how's the quiz competition? Yeah, I'll repeat it. Okay. As observed, listen, as observed from the top of a, okay, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships, are 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay, if one ship is exactly behind the other, on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the ships. Look at here now. This is the sea. Okay. Ship A, ship B is a lighthouse. Not like this straight. Okay. Okay. C, D. First ship. Oh, we can see. Okay. Here the angle of depression is 45 degree. Sorry, 30 degree. Second one is 40 degree, 45 degree. Okay. This is the lighthouse height H. This is given 75 meters. Okay. Now, look. First of all, this angle 45. This also 45. So this is 75. Okay. This is 30. So tan 30 equal to 75 by 75 plus x. This is x. You're writing the details, right or no? You have to write the explanation. 1 by root 3 equal to 75 divided by 75 plus x. 75 plus x equal to 75 root 3. So x equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. Keep it there. If the root 3 value is given, you can find out. Okay. So finish it first. What I have to explain this one? Come on. This is the lighthouse. Okay. DC is the lighthouse. Why your internet always problem? Okay. Which net you are using? Orida? Oh, Orida here now. Maybe there is no tower there is. Check another net. Okay. Anyway, listen here. DC is the tower. Height is 75. First ship is at A. Angle of depression is 30 degree. Second ship is at B. Angle of depression is 45 degree. Okay. Then tan 30, 75 by 75 plus x. Okay. So we got 1 by root 3 equal to 75 by 75 plus x. Then tan 45, 75 by BC. Tan 45 is 1, therefore this is 75. Therefore, x equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. Okay, try now. Okay. So next question, very important question. Okay. So listen on. So next question. Ready now? Okay. Right. Question now. Anyone have phone using or laptop? Oh, so we cannot see the question. Okay. Look at here. Now, if I send the question to our group, you can see or not. Okay, then I'll send it. Okay. Just wait. Then no need to read much. Okay, I send you. Okay, write the question. Yes, you have to write the question. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I send you. Write the question. Okay. So we can save the time reading. Okay, that's why. Okay. You just copy the question to your notebook, then wait. I'll explain. So now start question. Okay. Just correct the third line. Instead of 6 seconds, make it 6 minutes. 6 seconds, nothing to do. Okay, what is this question? Make it 6 minutes. Be practical. Okay. Okay, I'll explain it. Don't write. No, you just write it. I'll explain this question. Don't close the book after writing. Look at here now. Is there another good question? And okay. Look. Listen out. Don't write now. A straight highway. Listen. Finished question writing. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait for us. I'll wait. Make it 6 minutes. Okay. Don't make it 6 seconds. 6 seconds is not practically not possible. Ready now? Okay. Okay. Look at here. Hello. Don't write anything. Okay. Listen here. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. Okay. Look at here now our Abu Alifa Mangaf Fahil Road. Imagine. Okay. A man standing on the top of the tower. That guy standing on the top of the green tower. Okay. Anyone? Faraz standing. Faraz standing on the top of the green tower. Okay. He arranged a party for you. Then he observed that a car at an angle of depression 30 degree. That means he observing the car coming from Abu Alifa at an angle is 30 degree. Okay, one van is coming. All the guys. Okay. Then he's watching this same van. After 6 minutes, the van reached Mangaf. Then, at what time it reached from Mangaf to Green Tower? This is the question. Very careful. Question is asking from the second point, not from the total point. If it is total, means your answer will be different. Okay, now I'll read the question. Here, for us, height is not considered because compared to Green Tower height, for us is nothing, just a dot. That's why not consider it. Okay. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of a tower observe a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. A car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower. With a uniform speed. If the speed different, we cannot calculate it. Okay. 6 minutes later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Question okay or not? Forget about the answer. Just understand the question, everyone. Practically, for us, standing on the top of the green tower, he was observing a car coming from Abu Alifa at an angle of 30 degree. After 6 minutes, the car reached Mangaf. That time, angle depression is 60 degree. Accordingly, when this car reached foot of the green tower, because he can calculate arrangement of food and all. Okay, now look at here. The plan is, look at here, my plan. First of all, listen here, don't write anything. I'll explain the plan. Okay. Here, this is the AB, the green tower, H. The first point, Abu Alifa at an angle of depression is 30 degree. A, B, C. Then, after 6 minutes, same car at an angle of depression is 45 degree. 45, right? 30, 60 degree, right? Okay, 60. Here is 60 degree. A, B, C, D here. Okay, now the question is, when this car reach from D to A, not from C to A. Okay, this is the figure. Figure okay? The question okay, you said okay. Check the figure okay or not. To find, yeah, no, not to find AD. Time taken to travel AD. Ganja. Time taken, yeah, time taken to travel AD. 30 degree. Okay, your observation is good. Okay, 30 degree. Figure okay? Look at here. Now plan. Now I'll tell you. Okay, listen. You read the question. You got the figure. Correct or not? Okay, now I'm going to explain the plan. I'm not going to explain the question. I'm going to explain the plan only. Look at here. Okay, from C to D, how much time taken? From C to D, how much the time? 6 minutes. Okay. If you can listen, wait. If you can, okay, enough. One guy enough. Okay. If you can find the distance covered by the car in 6 minutes, then that distance divided by 6, you will get what? Speed. Agree or not? We can listen. We can calculate the distance covered by the car in 6 minutes is CD. So CD divided by 6, that is the speed of the car. Agree or not? Okay. Now, same speed only D to A, right? Because car keeps uniform speed. Then we calculate the distance dA. Distance is dA. That distance divided by speed, you will get the time. Agree or not? So we got finished. Plan okay? Okay. Now we are going to start the question. Look at here now. Now listen here. So we assume that this distance is x. This distance is y. Okay. Now all distance we have changed in terms of h. Now right now tan 30 equal to h by x. 1 by root 3 equal to h by x. X equal to h root 3. Number 1. Then tan 60 equal to h by y. Root 3 y equal to h. Number 2. Okay, you can substitute here h equal to here. Okay. No. Okay, tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3 equal to h by x. Tan 60 equal to so y equal to h by root 3. This is number 2. Okay. Then this is okay or not? Check this all. Check now. Make sure now. This is star question. Okay. Tan 30 equal to h by x. 1 by root 3 equal to h by x. X equal to h root 3. Tan 61 h by y. Root 3 y equal to h. Y equal to h by root 3. Okay. Right? Are you okay or not? Ushasi, Fire, late comments. Okay, now look at here. According to our plan, we have to find out CD. We have to find out CD. CD means x minus y. So CD equal to x minus y. That is h root 3 minus h by root 3. Correct or no? H root 3. This one h by root 3. That is 3h minus h by root 3. That is 2h by root 3. This is the distance. Okay. Okay. Now you draw the figure. I'll give it out because there is no space here. Okay. So draw the figure. Okay. Draw figure. Then I'll give the note. This Hira always net problems there. Okay, so then right, you might like this X, H and all explained. Let A be the tower of height H. The first point at C, which is X meter away from the tower. Second point is Y meter away from the tower. And the angle of depression of C is 30 degree and D is 60 degree. You write that one. Write that according to your way, you write it. Okay. Okay. So then tan 30, better write in triangle BAC, tan 30 equal to H by X, 1 by root 3 equal to H by X equal to H root 3, number 1. Then in triangle BAD, tan 60 equal to H by Y, root 3Y equal to H, Y equal to H by root 3, number 2. Then CD, then write distance covered by the car in 6 minutes equal to CD equal to X minus Y equal to H root 3 minus H by root 3. LCM 3H minus H by root 3. That is 2H by root 3. Clear or no? You have tried like this. Distance covered by the car in 6 minutes equal to CD according to this figure. That is equal to X minus Y. So H root 3 minus H by root 3 equal to 3H minus H by root 3, 2H by root 3. Okay. After that, wait, I'll tell you that all. Okay. Why you ought to rationalize now? Forget about mine. Look, now here, okay, we got, oh my God. Okay, I need your help. Okay. So then write time, right, speed of the car, right, speed of the car from C to D equal to 2H by root 3 divided by 6, distance divided by time. That is 2H by root 3 into 1 by 6. So H by 3 root 3. This is the speed. This much speed equal to meter per second, right? Meter per minute. Why 6 should not convert to hours? Okay, if you want, you can convert hours. Okay, that's no problem. There is no issue like that. Because in minute only, no. It will be very low value. That's why. Because 6 minutes converting to hour and all. Okay. Actually, it was seconds. I just changed to minutes. Okay. Okay. Now we got, this is the speed. Then right. Since the car moves in uniform speed, since the car moves with uniform speed, comma, speed of the car from D to A, speed of the car from D to A equal to H by 3 root 3. Here also same speed, H by 3 root 3. Right? Okay. Then last line. Time taken to cover the car. Time taken by the car to from D to A. Okay, D to A. What is the distance? That is y divided by h by 3 root 3. Correct or no? Distance is y divided by 3 root 3. Okay, what is the y? I forgot. I missed that. What is the y? Tell me. Check your book. Y. No, y equal h by root 3. Okay, h by root 3 into 3 root 3 divided by h. Oh, cancel. Equal to what? 3 minutes. That means after 3 minutes, all the guys reach green cover. Maybe that time for us run away from there. So clear now? Go through the question, figure, answer. Make sure now. Next question, same thing, same type. Another one I'll give you now. Okay. Okay, so check the question and everything. So I'm going to give the similar one question. Okay. Okay, when you finish, tell me. I'll give the question. How many questions finished? 5 questions, right? Okay, so next question, similar one, right? I'll send you the question. Okay, I'll send you. Okay. It's another book. Okay, I'll send you the question. Okay, copy the question and find, okay. I won't explain this question. Okay, this much time I spent for this one question. Almost half an hour for this question I spent. Same idea only. Okay. Yeah, I sent. No problem. I sent you the question. I can find now. Okay. So everyone's net always problem. So my net is okay now. Good. Correct or no? No, I keeping three net. So one is missing. See yesterday's class, just before starting, the 5G connection is gone. So then I went to STC. I have three options. Okay, try now. Which picture? This one. Question not visible. Why? You can't see the question. In 2 minutes. In 2 minutes. Exactly same question. Okay. You try get the answer. Okay. If you want, you can make it root 3 value will give you. Root 3 value 1.732. Use that one. 1.732. And make it kilometer per hour. Hello. Make it kilometer per hour. You'll get the answer is meter per minute. Meter per minute, make it a kilometer. Divided by 1000 into 60. Do that one. Okay, you'll get the answer is meter per minute. Convert to kilometer per hour. Root 3 value 1.732. Do first. Okay, getting it now? You got it? Reversely, tamam. So let's start finish it. What the answer you got? Reversely, final answer. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Okay. Ah, you didn't get it. Oh, okay. The guys all trying now, right? Yeah, kilometer per hour. Okay. Yes, Sri Lanka. That is correct. Exactly. Agamir, correct. Okay, 1.902 kilometer per hour. How to convert? Divided by 1000 into 60, top 60 meter to kilometer by 1000 minute to hours into 60. Okay. So clear now. I'm going to start the next question. Okay, everything with you now. You can try. Okay, next question. 1.902 something. Yes. Okay, so enough. We can finish it. Okay. Hey, 109 kilometer per hour. No. What about this one? I want to travel in that boat. Okay, 1,000 kilometers per hour, then 4 hours enough to reach Cochin. Like flight. Ship maximum speed may be 62. Passenger ship maximum speed is 40. 60, 70, like that only. Anyone travel in ship? Passenger ship or cruise? You don't feel you're in a ship, correct or no? Okay, you're in just sitting like a flat, like that only. Okay, the answer is here 1.902 kilometer per hour. Okay, this may be what about? Okay, look at here. Next question. Come on. The angle of elevation. Next question, right? How many questions finished? Today, how many questions? No, today 6. My God, 1 hour 35 minutes over. So 95 minutes divided by 66, how much? 95 divided by 60. Let me check. 95 divided by 6. Each question 15 minutes it is spent. Okay. Okay. Anyway, it's okay now for you. Okay, no, that's okay. We can. We have time. Don't worry. Okay. Because major explanation chapter, surface area volumes, area related, full your work only. I don't have anything to do. All calculations. Okay. So now major chapter is similar triangle, coordinate geometry, then statistics, then some chota chapters, circle, construction, probability, and I don't know how we'll teach construction online. Oh, I forgot to tell you. It's a good news for you, maybe. You heard about? Hello? You heard about the news? Not vaccine. Come on. No. No. Not vaccine. It's related to you. It is related to you. Not Japan medicine. Yes, Zara, correct. You read the news. Zara is okay. The no. The CBSE formed a committee to study the situation. Maybe they reduce the portion, maybe 50% or 60% like that. Maybe something will be reduced because India can start only in August only, August 15th only. After 15th only start the schools. All chapters you will have, sure. All chapters cannot cancel it because you'll be suffer later. Maybe some reduce, like last year reduced, no, completing the square method, like that. Online classes, not all schools. University, very some schools no online classes, not even washroom. Then how can start online classes? In Kerala, full started 1st June itself. Even KG level also started online classes. Like that, other states cannot start. There is no power. No power. There is no power supply. There is no TV. There is no mobile connections and all. How can start online classes? There is no line. Then how can start online? Yes, not 2, 1. Shreya, don't make it extra number. 1 only. Yeah, your friend. That is some schools, maybe some schools. In Punjab, really? Punjab started. I didn't read Punjab news. Punjab news service, I didn't read. I read news, but Kerala, I heard that. Okay, Punjab also. Okay. So some states, especially northeast, maybe Nagaland, some areas there is no connections. Even UP, Bihar, there is no connections. I told you, last year I visited Bihar. I saw one board there. Coming soon, Sholay movie. Come on, Sholay movie, around maybe 40 years old. That's still coming only there. Okay, now some area Kulin, some area. Okay, only town only connections and all. That's all like desert area. Okay, I'm not saying that area is not developed. No, not like that. All over India, I'm considering. Okay. Okay, come to our question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point A, on the ground is 30 degree. From a point A on the ground is 30 degree. Okay. Once again, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point A on the ground is 30 degree, 30. The angle of elevation, of the top of a tower from a point A on the ground is 30 degree. Okay. On moving a distance of 20 meters. On moving a distance of 20 meters. On moving a distance of 20 meters. On moving a distance of 20 meters towards the foot of the tower. Towards the foot of the tower. Towards the foot of the tower. Towards the foot of the tower to a point B. To a point B, the angle of elevation increase to the angle of elevation increase to 60 degree. The angle of elevation increase to 60 degree, 60. The angle of elevation increase to 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower from the point A. Eh? Yeah. Eh? No. Find the height of the tower and distance of the tower. Distance of the tower from the point A. Distance of the tower from the point A. Then root 3 equal to 1.732. Root 3 equal to 1.732. Listen, if the root 3 value is given, don't apply it. Otherwise, don't apply it. Anyone say apply? No. Okay. We don't know root 3 value. That's the only answer. Because sometimes we use 1.7, 1.73, 1.732 or 1.732065 also sometimes. Correct or no? Sometimes use 1.732065. Gulf Indian guys, you maybe knows. In one question you use, right or no? In first term, I think. Hello, Gulf Indian. One question use 1.7320 like this. We used in one of the question. Yeah, so it depends on the question only. You have to use it. Okay, so this question 1.732. Okay, finish. It's an easy question, right? Height of the tower is 17.32. So how come 17.3 only? Because when the value is given, you have to apply that. 10 roots, you have to find out the full answer. Don't leave it like that. The value is given, you have to find out. Okay, I'm not going to explain this question. It's a very simple question. The distance is 30 meter, height is 17.32. Okay, I'll wait. No problem, I'll wait. Okay, finish. So we'll see next question now. Okay. So now question number 7. One more question only we can do today. Okay. Right. A pole. Right. A pole. 5-meter height. Answer. Okay. Abhimanyu. Answer is height of the tower is 17.32 meter. 17.32 meter. Distance is 30 meter. Okay. Now, question. A pole 5-meter height. A pole 5-meter height. A pole 5-meter height. A pole 5-meter height. A pole 5-meter height is fixed on the top of a tower. Is fixed on the top of a tower. A pole 5-meter height is fixed on the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole as observed from the top. The angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point A. Observed from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. Observed from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of the point A, angle of depression from the point A from the top of the tower is 45 degree. From the top of the tower is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Once again, a pole, listen, a pole 5-meter height is fixed on the top of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole as observed from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of the point A from the top of the tower is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay. 45, yes. Okay, the answer is, yeah, 6.82 or 83, correct. A pole 5 meter, a figure, okay, no, you got or not? If not getting, listen. A pole 5 meter height. Okay, A, B, C. This is 5 meter. A pole 5 meter height is fixed on the top of a tower. First here, this angle is from here. A pole 5 meter height is fixed on the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole as observed from the point A. Oh, this is A here, B here, C here. Okay, this angle is 60 degree. Then an angle of depression of a point A from the top of the tower is 45 degree. From here, this is 45 degree. Accordingly, this is 45. Okay. This is the figure. a pole 5-meter height. This is 5 meter fixed on the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole, observed from a point A. On the ground is 60 degree. From here to top 60 degree. From the top of the building, angle of depression of the point A is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Okay, this is H. This is also H. Why? Tan 45. So tan 60 equal to 5 plus H divided by H. You simplify, you will get the answer. Answer is 1.73. 1.73 only. 1.73. It is 6.82 meter. 6.82 meter. Okay, this is enough today. So very few questions only. Make sure this all before the next class.